Savior Jesus, he was born on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night, in a manger so adorned. On a Christmas night, on a Christmas night. So tell all the children, boys and girls, on a Christmas night, on a Christmas night, all will sing joy to the world. On a Christmas night, on a Christmas night.
Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24.
We got Emily over here cooking.
I don't know why they got me cooking. I don't cook.
She's making mashed potatoes. Did you already make your...
We made the mac together.
Yes.
Mostly her.
Is it done?
Yeah.
We just have to warm it up. We're gonna put it in the oven once everybody gets here.
Okay.
Everyone gets here.
There's that. We got some gravy, some dressing for salad. I'm supposed to make... We got buñuelos. And here we have the beef, shredded beef.
And we have
Pan de bonos, natilla, and some rolls. So we're gonna eat good tonight. And it's baby's first Christmas. Hold on, let it focus. Baby's first Christmas. Cute.
You gonna vlog?
So Tierra made us these shirts, and my sister was like to be on the nice list.
Where's mine? Where's mine? Where's mine?
Oh, that's Holly. Stephanie not even gonna be here.
We're standing at right.
Where's yours? Uh oh. That's different. Tell me, Holly. Oh.
What, girls get black?
Yeah. I didn't want it
Most
black.
likely to make everyone laugh.
I
already knew.
All you young people got this one.
Oh. Show Matt his.
This is Mateo.
Wait.
Yeah, made us shirts.
Oh, most likely to watch Home Alone. That's cool. Thank
That's you.
That's
you.
you.
This is I'm watching Home Alone 3 right now.
So accurate. What's...
I love this. I love this.
This is how we say it.
Yep, that's Titi's.
Por allá ya está.
Yeah.
She's French. This is mamitas.
Ooh. Yeah. Always dressed up.
This is me.
Yes.
And this is your mama.
That's funny.
And Sabrina.
That's super
This is Anthony. This is Andres. This is Camila. Roast everybody.
That's funny. She was doing that yesterday.
Yep.
That's
Sabrina.
That's funny.
And this is Diego.
Yep. That's perfect.
Yep.
Cute.
Everybody got their own shit. Is it Jamie time?
Jamie time. Yeah, she's fake for not being here.
But we got our shirts. Your guys's. Let's see. Yeah, here. Hold on. This is yours. It says most likely to shake presents.
Okay. I see how it is.
This one's scary.
What does it say? Roast.
Oh
everyone,
yeah!
yes.
Yay! That's scary. This is Sabrina's. It still got the tag. Okay.
Drink, yes. That's me. Hollering. Oh, yes. That's me. Here, go, mírame.
This is Anthony's.
I'm right here. Yup. What is it? Yeah.
It says most likely to fall asleep first. That's you. That's you, fool. That's true.
Give me.
And here's Diego's.
What does this say? To get cheap presents.
He's wearing all cheese.
Like cocaine.
They're gonna put it in the best seven.
That money was so 2018.
Where are you gonna put them? Somewhere you could see them. Maybe like in the middle of the sheep.
Like right here.
Yeah, right there. Hold on.
Right here.
A. There we go. I think this little tree start from the top.
Bad Bunny made it to the best 7 a.m.
Hey, cheated.
Let's go!
He cheated.
Oh, I didn't.
He cheated.
Where's the empty cup? Give me the empty cup.
21. Can you do some for me?
Kids.
This one. Yeah. Oh, did I? Wait,
Do all of them have?
What's next? Elijah wants.
Go ahead, man. Well, hold on. When's your birthday? December 13th. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Julia's first. Or no, he's first?
Go ahead, man.
Yep, December 13th. Yep, so you're older.
Tired.
Here he is.
The fact that nobody's getting a shooter is kind of scary.
Yeah.
That means there's a lot in here and they're gonna get high.
What'd you get, man?
Wow. They're trying to get me drunk.
Go that orange.
Turn up.
Alright, now it's time for the old people.
Oh, there's money. She got the loaded one.
Jackpot.
Oh, she didn't get the jackpot.
I think that was a little biased. I think that was a
So
little
it'll
biased.
help you hold your stuff. Diego.
Yeah, that means you're the oldest in this room, Mom.
Damn!
Ouch.
I'm just saying, it's fact.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Why? Because you looked.
Turn up!
Period.
She knows exactly which one she's getting.
Yay!
Alright.
We're throwing this one up for our boy, Baby Jesus. Thank you for giving us a reason to celebrate today. And thank you for everyone for being here. We miss Titi, and may
Shout out
everyone
Titi.
get what they want for Christmas.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers! Arriba, pa abajo, pa dentro, pa dentro.
Is that a good idea?
Good day.
Save the rest for later.
You ever had that before?
Yeah, it's been a while.
The best. Her card says AK from the best.
Well, I think this is the only one I put that on. I got lazy.
Suck. Who's next?
Never buying anything again.
I love this record. Okay. Next, hurry.
¿Qué es? ¡Qué elegancia!
Oh my god, it's Shadow. Let's go! It's an anime calendar.
She talking smack.
What is that?
This looks like it's gonna be a sexy candle. Yes. That smells so good. Julie, help me take.
I can't help it.
Oh, this is what I need. Thank you.
Ooh,
Hair stuff. Oh, here is Creative 3D.
A 3D visualization.
Ooh, open it, baby. It's a nightlight.
Can I get it decorated? And then this goes on it. And it's block of it on my hero.
Isn't that cool? That's cool.
This would go on
You already opened it.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. I got you, I know you said you didn't want it, but I couldn't find anyone else.
guys have to plug your name.
I got my. Are you sure this is yours? Because you know, recycling.
That's true. We do recycle in this house.
Ooh.
Booties.
I got booties. Thank you.
It's read the spine.
It's a thesaurus. It's the atlas of the early Christian world.
Cheese.
Carhartt.
You're welcome.
Oh, she's knocked out.
Thank
you, Emily. I did
You're welcome.
You have to take time.
Bow.
No. Yes, it's from Emily.
No, she would.
No. Tan elegante.
It's what's it called? Like a camera lanyard. This is cute.
It's from you,
I wanted
Hootie.
something sweet. But that wine is not sweet.
Oh, so you were.
The.
La mejor abuela del mundo.
This must be
Okay, go.
A gift for you.
Yeah, I didn't know if they're gonna fit you. You're welcome.
Nice.
Am I gonna take you to the gym?
Maserati,
Cheese.
That's nice.
Rice maker
That's a big rice maker.
is a toaster.
Oh, it's a microwave.
That's a big cup.